Deep under this desert, a mother scorpion is fighting to keep her babies alive. A powerful earthquake has just ripped through her burrow, collapsing tunnels and crushing entire chambers under sand and stone. Before the ground moved, this was a calm underground home. One room for the mother and her babies, a side room of stored prey, and a tiny brood chamber full of newborns. Then the first tremors begin. Dust falls from the ceiling, cracks open in the upper tunnels, and the mother raises her body, tail arched, as the vibrations grow stronger. The shaking builds into a true quake. The main tunnel to the surface caves in. Food rooms and brood rooms collapse one after another, filling with sand. Some of her young are buried where they lie. With only seconds to act, the mother rushes downward with the remaining babies clinging to her back, escaping into the lowest part of the burrow as the ceiling of her old chamber falls in behind her. When the ground finally goes quiet, most of the old nest is gone. Everything above her is packed with broken stone and sand. Now the rescue starts. From this deeper pocket, she digs upward, carving a narrow shaft toward the buried brood chamber until she reaches a tiny air pocket where a few babies are still alive. They crawl to her and climb onto her back as she turns away from the collapsed rooms and leads them into a new, safer chamber even deeper underground. The old home is destroyed, but the bloodline survives. Today, this scorpion family made it through the quake. Tomorrow, they will start rebuilding, one tunnel at a time.